students, welcome to today's maths class. Your portions, then you have total 5 chapters. Chapter 8 decimals, then chapter 9 data handling, chapter 10 mensuration, chapter 11 algebra, and last chapter 14th chapter practical geometry. From how many questions we work out in the notebook, that only you want to study. Clear? Once more, chapter 8 decimals, chapter 9 data handling, chapter 10 mensuration, chapter 11 algebra, and from last chapter 14 the practical geometry. Clear? Yes. So already given that decimals data handling revision questions, and then mensuration and algebra also I given some questions. Yes. So today we are going to discuss about from that construction of the following questions from chapter 14. Some question we can construct today. Yes. Then therefore all of you open your textbook, page number 276. Already we work out in the notebook these all the questions. That questions once more I will revise today. Page number 276, question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. How we can draw? So you want to take the pencil, scale and compass. Want to take the measurement from 3.2 using compass and draw the circle. So first of all we want to take the measurement from 3.2 and construct the circle using your compass. Clear? Yes. So you can draw the circle and measurement 3.2 centimeter. Clear? Next question. With the same center O, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Same question. So first of all we want to construct using compass 4 centimeter circle. So first of all want to draw a circle 4 centimeter, and next again you want to take the measurement from scale 2 point. First of all we want to take 4 centimeter or 2.5. Clear? So this is 2.5 centimeter, and again want to construct using 4 centimeter. Clear? 4 centimeter. That is the second question. Yes. Next one, third one. Draw a circle and any two of its diameters. Next one. If you join the ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? So draw a circle and so first of all you want to take a measurement and draw a circle. Draw a circle and you want to join the ends of the diameters. Any two of its diameters. So we can draw any two of its diameters. Diameter is passing through the center of the circle. Next, if we join the ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? So we can join. Yes. So this figure you will get this figure. That is the first part. Then second part. What figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? So again, once more you want to draw the circle. Clear? Yes. Then mark the point center. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means this way you want to draw. Using compass draw the circle. Through center draw the diameters. Next join. Yes. You will get this figure. Clear? This is the second figure. Next one. Draw any circle and mark points A, B, C such that. So you can take third question. Next one. You can draw any circle, that is using any measurement. So first draw the circle. Then and mark the points. So this is the center. A is on the circle. Put a point. A is on the circle. Next B is in the interior of the circle. B is in the interior. Next C is on the exterior. Where? C is on the exterior. Understand? Yes. Next question. Next one. Let AB be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. So first we can draw using any radius. Yes. Then A be the center of this circle. Understand? A comma B the centers of two circles of equal radius. Then next you want to take the scale and mark the point here. Understand? Yes. Understand? Next take the compass. Yes. From this center you want to draw the circle. So you will get this circle. Clear? Yes. Then join. You will get. I didn't take the correct measurement. You will get the correct measurement. So you can draw the figure. Understand? Yes. Then A, B, C, D. A, B and C. Yes. Next question. Next one. From page number 278. Draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. So first you want to take the scale and yes, fix and from 7.3 you want to take the measurement 7.3. Next so this is 7.3 centimeter. Clear? Next construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compass. How we can construct? First draw a line segment. Any line, any measurement. Next from the scale you want to take 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter take and then you want to cut. Clear? Yes. Yes. Cut. So up to this only you will get 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Next one. Construct AB of length 7.8 centimeter. From this cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Measure BC. Yes. So very simple question. How? Construct AB of length 7.7. So using scale 7.8 want to construct. Yes. From the yes 7.8. That is AB. Understand? Next, from this cut off AC of length 4.7. So you want to cut AC of length 4.7. So this is 4.7 centimeter. This total measurement equal 7.8 centimeter. Understand? Next, you want to measure the BC. So AB, next cut off AC, then BC. So BC equal, say the answer, 7.8 minus 4.6. Sorry, 4.7. 7.8 minus 4.7. You will get the correct answer. Clear? So first you want to draw AB of length 7.8. Next cut off AC of length 4.7. Next measure BC. BC equal total AB minus AC. That equal BC. That equal 7.8 minus 4.7. 3.1 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Next one. Next question. Given AB of length 3.9, construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice that of AB. Verify the measurement. So you first you can draw this question. First AB of length 3.9. Want to construct AB. Next PQ equal twice of PQ such that length of PQ is twice of AB. Twice means 2 into. Understand? So 3.9 into 2. That equal 7.8 centimeter. That you want to construct. Yes. Next question number 5. Given AB of length 7.3 centimeter and CD of length 3.4 centimeter. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the length of AB and CD. Verify the measurement. So, AB of length 7.3, then CD of length 3.4. Construct XY such that is equal to difference between AB and CD. So 7.3 minus 3.4. Clear? That equal 3.9. Then you want to construct yes, XY. Understand? So XY equal 3.9 centimeter. Using 3.9 you want to construct. Understand? Yes. Next term. Draw any line segment PQ without measuring PQ. Construct a copy of PQ. How we can construct? Draw any line segment PQ. PQ. Draw any line segment PQ. PQ. Next, without measuring PQ, how we can construct a copy? So again, you want to construct a line. Next, want to take the measurement from PQ. Understand? Yes. Then here, this is large scale 15 centimeter. Understand? Yes. That is 15 centimeter. Or you want to take the compass. Then take the correct measurement and cut it. Understand? This is the copy. Once more, want to take the measurement from using scale or compass. Then again you want to cut here. Then this is the copy of PQ. Here this is large scale, so this is 15 centimeter. You want to take the measurement from your own scale, you will get the answer. Next one. Then twice means 2 into that number, that is twice. So given AB equal 5 centimeter, you want to draw the twice of AB equal PQ. How we can construct? 5 into 2 equal 10 centimeter. So using 10 centimeter, you want to construct the line segment. Clear? Yes. Next one. All of you must study these questions. Yes. Next one. Draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Find its axis of symmetry. Please listen here. So must do this correct step, otherwise you will not get the mark. First, take the scale. Then 7.3 centimeter. This is 7.3. That is AB. Next, want to take the compass. Take more than half of the from this line segment. Cut an arc there up. Yes. Here. Here. Using that same measurement from B, must cut again an arc. Yes. Understand? This is the correct step. So you must do this way only, otherwise you will not get the mark. Then using scale, you can draw the straight line. So this is the axis of symmetry. Understand? Once more. Once more. First take the scale, then find the measurement using measurement 7.3 centimeter. Then this is AB. Take the compass. Want to take the measurement from AB more than half. Then from A, cut an arc here up. Again there down. Yes, we will get this way. Then from B also again cut. Yes. Understand? Then join. This is the perpendicular bisector or axis of symmetry. This question, axis of symmetry. This method is again perpendicular bisector, both are same. Understand? Yes. Next question. Next question. Draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. So first draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter. Next say the step. Yes, want to take the more than half of the measurement from up and down. Cut an arc. So we can name it as P and Q. Yes. Next, again using that measurement, again cut. Yes. Then take the scale and join. You will get the perpendicular bisector. Understand? Yes. Next, angle bisector. Next one. Draw an angle of measure. Angle PQR equal 60 degree and bisect it. How we can construct 60 degree and bisect it? Do first take the protractor. Draw the baseline. First one, first step. Yes, it's the point here. Then 60 degree where? Here. Yes. Next step. Take the scale. Yes. Next yes. Then PQR, that is P, Q and R. From Q, you want to take the compass and cut an arc here from Q, small arc. Understand? Yes. Next step. From this arc, again use the compass and cut 2 arcs. Clear? Yes. Then take the scale. This is the bisector of the given line, given angle. Understand? This is the bisector. Next question. Angle ABC equal 120 degree and bisect it. 120 degree. Yes. First draw the baseline. Then fix the point. Place the protractor. 120 where? 0, 10, 20, 120. Next. Next one. Next step. Take the scale. Yes. This is angle ABC. ABC. Next from B again cut a small, cut an arc. Yes. Yes, this way cut an arc. Clear? Next from here and here take the lose the compass and cut an next arc. Yes. Then join. This is the angle bisector of angle ABC 120 degree. And clear? Yes. Next question. Draw a right angle and construct its bisector. Draw a right angle and construct it. Yes. You know right angle equal 90 degree. Clear? Yes. So first draw the line. Yes. Take the 90 degree here. Understand? Yes. Next step. 90 degree. Suppose X, Y and Z. Next one from Y. Yes. Cut an arc. Understand? Yes. Then from here and here. Again cut 2 arcs. 1. Next 2. Then join. So each angle 45 degree. Understand? Yes. So all of you must construct each question, study well, prepare for the exam and do the revision question. Thank you. Have a great day.